Another object that we frequently see in AutoCAD is the polygons. Polygons are any object that all the sides are equal to each other. A polygon is like a square, hexagon, triangle. And I should point out that the steps of creating a polygon is much like the steps of creating a circle. That's because all the polygons are based or created on an imaginary circle. Let's pan a little bit over here. This is how polygons are based on imaginary circles and created on imaginary circles. And I'm going to pan a little bit more. And another thing when creating any polygons we have to keep in mind is are our polygons inscribed or circumscribed? Now the inscribed specifies the radius of a circle on which all of the vertices of the polygon lie, and the circumscribed specifies the distance from the center of the polygon to the midpoints of the edges of the polygon. As we can see right here, let's pan a little bit more, and we're going to recreate or create some polygons inside of this for this socket. Pan a little bit more. Now I'm going to launch my polygon command here, and it's where the rectangle command is. I'm going to click this little fly out of here and select the polygon, and here we're going to be asked to enter number of sides of the polygon. In this case it is 6, as we see here, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and enter. And we'll be asked to specify center of the polygon. The center of the polygon is the center of the circle we're creating that polygon in, and I'm going to click to pick the center, and here's the step we were talking about, and this is the inscribed or circumscribed. Now, is this inscribed or circumscribed? As we see, this is circumscribed. I'm going to select the circumscribed. Now we'll have to specify some radius for this polygon, and I don't know the radius, but I know the diameter, which is 12, so the radius must be 6. I'm going to enter 6 and enter. There we have our polygon made there. And I should point out that we're working in a metric document. These drawings are based on metric units, so each unit is equal to 1 millimeter here. And I'm going to launch my polygon command again, and I'm going to, in this case, enter 4 and enter, and I'm going to be asked to pick the center. I'm going to pick the center right here. I'm going to, in this case, we're going to be asked to enter an option, which is, in this case, is the inscribed, as we see right there. And as we see, the diameter, it's 9, so the radius would be 4.5. Enter, and here's our circle right here. You can create any kind of a polygon when you understand the inscribed and circumscribed well.